Hey guys, good morning. I wanted to do another quick place value review before you go and do your place value worksheet for today. One thing that I noticed on the place value from Monday is that you guys are getting a little bit confused with what place meant and what value meant when it asked you what place was this in. So we're going to just write down a couple of definitions really quickly, and then we'll go talk about the decimal places. So if something asks you about the place, if the question says, what place is this digit in? That's asking you, where is that number sitting? So place is where the number sits. So in the number 567, okay, the place of the 6 equals the tens place. Okay, so if I asked you for the place of the underlined digit, you would tell me tens. You wouldn't tell me 60. You wouldn't tell me 6. You would say tens, because that's the place. Now the value is a little bit different. The value is how much it is worth. How much the digit is worth. Okay, so using this same number, if I asked you what was the value of the underlined digit, or the value of the 6, that would be 60. This 6 is worth 60 because it's sitting in the tens place. Like 6 $10 bills would be worth $60. It would have a value of $60. The value is how much it's worth, and that's going to be a number like this. The place is where the number sits, and that's going to be a word. The tens place, the hundredths place, the thousands place. And now we're going to go back and talk about some more of our place value. We're going to go smaller, and we're going to be talking about the decimal places, the places to the right of the decimal. So if you have your math journal, you can get it out and flip back to our little picture of our place value neighborhood. Okay, so we've got our thousands and our units. I'm going to get a different pen here. And then we've got our tenths and our hundredths. They come after our little puppy dog, Andy. Okay, so if I have something in one of these places, if I had got this number here, there's Andy, our little puppy dog, and here in the trailer we've got 3, and then this would be 3 tenths. Because it's sitting in the tenths place. And then this over here, we'll just put a 1 there. That's 1/100th, but we would read this whole number. You read everything that's in each place. So you read everything that is part of the decimal together. 31, and then read the last place, hundredths. This number says 31 hundredths. If I had this, it would be read as 3 hundredths. There's a 0 there. The decimal makes it 3 hundredths. If I just had, this is read as 3 tenths. It doesn't matter how close or how far it is to the decimal. If there's not a placeholder between it, this is the tenths place. The number just to the right of the decimal is the tenths place. The number 2 places to the right of the decimal is the hundredths place. If you want to make this number 3 hundredths, you have to put the 0 in between the 3 and the decimal place. Tenths, hundredths. Remember, with our 1 and our decimal, it just goes the opposite of this. We go ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s. Okay, this we're going the opposite direction. We've got ones, then our decimal, then tenths, hundredths, and if we kept going, it would be thousandths and 10,000ths. I think you guys will do well on today's assignment. It's a lot like Monday's assignment. It just goes all the way to the tenths and hundredths. That's money places too, so think about money, and that will help you. Dimes are tenths, pennies are hundredths, because it takes 100 pennies to make one whole dollar. It takes 10 dimes to make one whole dollar. Do your best, work hard, make sure that you push submit when you finish your place value worksheet so that I get it, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.